Hello traders, this is Ad Zeros and today I'm gonna discuss and I'm gonna give you 3 tips to improve your trading. And stay tuned until this video and you're gonna learn so much about it. I'm gonna give you 3. Tip number 1, risk to reward ratio. We talk so much about what is your risk to reward ratio, what is your risk unit. But in order to really improve, you need to go back to your trading statistics and need to identify one of the key factors. That is, do you know how much average time you hold to your winners and how much average time you hold your losers. I think these are the 2 key statistics or measures you need to look into it very closely if you're really serious about improving your trading. And why does that? Many new trader complains that take they cut their profits so soon and they let their losers hold longer. And why does that? Because you have not realization that how many times you are doing this mistake, and you will only able to know when you quickly looking at it that how much average time you hold your winner and how much average time you hold your losers. And you just need to do a flip flop. And how would you do that? You will only able to do that if you have a tool which help you to analyze these things. And in you stay tuned with this video, and I'm going to give you a tool where you actually put your statistics in it, and it can give you free these numbers, and it will help you to improve. Tip number 2, how much you take pain in order to make money. And this is, I cannot emphasize enough, this is a very important point. Sometimes we come to your position and then it moves against us, and then we wait and wait and wait, and then finally the stock move into a direction and we able to make money. But this is a very important measure to analyze and to identify whether how much you take pain in order to make money. And this is called the pain to gain ratio. And how would you calculate and what is it given to you? If you have that number lower, that you are taking more pain in order to gain, it's mean that your entries are not perfect. And what you need to focus on is to improving your entry. And the one way you able to do that is to lower your initial size and build up your position. And reason being is that if you have a low pain to gain ratio, it's mean that you are not good in your entries. Tip number 3, do you know what is the time you lose more money? And this is, I cannot emphasize enough, it has significantly improved my trading. When I didn't know that what time I'm not playing well and how I can improve then if I don't know, because the first 15 minutes have a different way of planning. The next, when the market opens, then you have can plan differently after 9:30 45 to 10 o'clock, and there's a different way and different strategies you can play. But if you do not know what you are doing bad, you won't be able to improve. You might be making money at the end of the day, or you are maybe break even at the end of the day, but if you do not know that what time you're losing more money, you won't be able to improve your trading. Now the next question is, what is the easy way of doing this? There is an one way is that you can pull all your statistics from your trading journal or from your trade data, and then you can put into an Excel spreadsheet and try to calculate each and everything. And what will help you, you might able to get some results, but what I feel that you will put too much efforts into putting in analyzing and identifying those factors that you wouldn't have energy left on actually improving and focusing on those areas because you're spending too much time in calculating it. So, what is the best and easy way of doing it? I personally use Trader Sync, journal your trades, and it is a very good software. It help you to just to import your trade data from TEFS platform or from the COMEX platform, and it will give you all the ratios and all the important things which I've discussed today in a very simulating manner and as an AI as well. There is, but I'm not talking about the AI feature now. I'm just talking about a normal vision. All these ratios come out to you, and what you need to do then, just after importing all this data, you can all the things you can see what I've just discussed, and your area need to be, you need to go one by one on each trade and see that if this trade has a pain to gain ratio of only 0.01, what does it mean? It means that you have let this trade go against you much more, and ultimately either you have closed on the break even or you weren't able to make the profit well. Right? What does it mean? It means that your entry should need to be better, and you can maybe enter into a multiple different position. But all these factors you will only able to analyze using journal your trades. I'm gonna give this link below, and what you can do, you basically use this is a free trial, and if you go and use, so this below link will give you an opportunity to go and use a free trial for 7 days on the Trader Sync. And if you like it, you can purchase using the link below, and if you would do that, this way you will share the gratitude and I will get some of the money of your commission to me through the trade sync. But this doesn't really matter whether you use this link or not, but what I'm telling you is that either you use this trader sync, which I'm using it, or use any other software which help you to analyze trade, or you use your Excel spreadsheet to calculate all these things which I've discussed. The idea is that if you're really serious about your trading, you should improve, and the only way you can improve by looking back on your statistics. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you really liked it, please feel free to give me thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed. Share this video and it will help others as well. We'll greatly appreciate it. And let me know what's your feedback. Is there any other way you improve? Share your feedback, and what are the other way you use to improve your trading. Thank you.